Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we're diving into a topic that touches almost every iPhone user, that nagging feeling that your iPhone is constantly tracking your every move, listening to your conversations, and serving you ads based on what you just talked about. Is it paranoia, or is there some truth to it? And more importantly, what can you do to take back control? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how your iPhone might be gathering data, not always maliciously, but through settings you might not even know are enabled. We'll then show you step by step how to find these settings and turn them off to enhance your privacy immediately. If you've ever felt like your phone is eavesdropping, this video is for you, so stick around. Before we jump in, please do us a huge favor, smash that like button and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips, privacy guides, and deep dives into the world of gadgets. It really helps us grow and bring you more valuable content. Alright, let's get right into it. The perception that our iPhones are always listening or tracking us comes from a few key areas, mainly related to how apps and services use your location, microphone, and data for things like personalization and analytics. While Apple has some of the strongest privacy features in the industry, you, the user, still have to actively manage many of them. Here's where we start our privacy audit. Grab your iPhone and follow along. Step 1. Taming location services. This is a big one. Your iPhone's GPS is incredibly powerful, but it also means it knows where you are, where you've been, and sometimes even where you're going. 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. 3. Tap on Location Services at the top. 4. First, look at the list of apps. For each app, decide if it really needs your location. If an app doesn't need always access, change it to while using the app, or even never. For example, a note-taking app probably doesn't need your location. 5. Now, scroll all the way down within Location Services and tap on System Services. This is where a lot of background tracking happens. Significant locations tap on this. This feature tracks places you frequently visit. Turn this off. You might need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. This is one of the most direct ways your iPhone builds a profile of your movement patterns. iPhone Analytics and Routing and Traffic turn these off. These send anonymized location data to Apple for improving services, but if you want to minimize any data sharing, disable them. Location-based alerts and location-based suggestions if you don't want your phone giving you proactive advice based on where you are, turn these off. Product improvement turn off Improve Maps, Improve Siri and Dictation, and Share My Location if you want maximum privacy. Step 2. Stopping app tracking requests. Have you ever seen a pop-up asking if an app can track your activity across other companies' apps and websites? This is app tracking transparency, and it's a crucial privacy feature. 1. Go back to Settings, Privacy and Security. 2. Tap on Tracking. 3. You'll see a toggle for Allow Apps to Request to Track. We recommend turning this off. This prevents apps from even asking to track you, and effectively tells all apps you do not consent to cross-app tracking. If you leave it on, you'll have to manually deny each app. Below this, you can see which apps you've already given or denied permission to track. Step 3. Reviewing microphone access. This is where the listening part comes in. While Apple explicitly states your iPhone isn't recording your conversations and sending them to advertisers, apps can access your microphone if you grant them permission. 1. Go back to Settings, Privacy and Security. 2. Tap on Microphone. 3. You'll see a list of every app that has requested or currently has access to your microphone. Critically review this list. Does a game really need mic access? Does a photo editing app? If an app doesn't have a clear, justifiable reason to use your microphone, toggle its access off. Remember, if an app uses your mic, you'll see an orange indicator in the status bar. Step 4. Safari Privacy Settings. Your web browser is another major gateway for tracking. 1. Go back to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Safari. 3. Under the Privacy and Security section. Prevent cross-site tracking make sure this is on. This helps prevent advertisers from tracking your activity across different websites. Hide IP address set this to trackers and websites for added privacy. Asterisk fraudulent website warning asterisk keep this on for your security. Asterisk privacy preserving ad measurement asterisk turn this off. This still shares some data with advertisers for ad measurement, even if it's designed to be privacy preserving. Asterisk camera and microphone access asterisk if you want to be extra cautious, you can change this to deny if you rarely use web-based video calls or voice input. Step 5. Limiting Apple advertising. Even Apple uses your data for its own personalized ads within the App Store, Apple News, and stocks. 1. Go back to Settings, Privacy and Security. 2. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Apple Advertising. 3. Toggle Personalized Ads to OFF. This won't stop you from seeing ads, but it will prevent Apple from tailoring them based on your activity. By going through these settings, you're not just turning off potential spying features, you're actively taking control of your personal data and significantly reducing your digital footprint. While no device can be 100% private, these steps will put you far ahead of the curve. Remember, the goal isn't to stop using your iPhone or become paranoid, but to be informed and make conscious choices about how your data is used. Regularly reviewing these settings, especially after iOS updates or installing new apps, is a good habit to maintain. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to making your iPhone less of a tracker and more of a private assistant. We hope this video empowers you to secure your digital life. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more essential tech insights. Let us know in the comments below if you found any surprising settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.